Is your 1998-2010 Ford Ranger key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple, cost-effective DIY fix that saves you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. The 1998-2010 Ford Ranger key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Make sure you purchase the correct battery type. Avoid cheaper alternatives like CR2025, as they may not fit or provide sufficient voltage for reliable operation. You can typically find CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, or online retailers like Amazon. You'll only need a few basic tools for this replacement: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. A plastic pry tool is preferable to avoid scratching the fob casing. Also have a clean, dry workspace ready. Carefully inspect the key fob to locate the seam where the two halves of the casing meet. It's usually along the keyring side. Gently insert a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and twist slightly to separate the halves. Be patient and avoid using excessive force, as this can damage the clips that hold the fob together. Work your way around the seam until the fob is open. Once the fob is open, you'll see the circuit board and the battery. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use your finger or a small tool to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Be careful not to short-circuit anything with metal tools. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, making sure the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the battery is seated properly and securely in the holder. A stable power source is important for RF transmission. Now for the final step of reassembling the key fob. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing band back together. Press firmly along the seams to ensure all the clips are engaged and the fob is securely closed. Double check that there are no gaps or loose parts. Now it's time to test your key fob. Press the lock and unlock buttons while standing within 5 to 10 feet of your Ford Ranger. If the fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and fully charged. In rare cases, reprogramming may be required. Check your owner's manual or consult a dealership. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your key fob battery.